Hi, I'm Mary Nielsen. I'm the Executive Director and the founder of Spectrum Advanced Aesthetics. I'm so glad you're here. I'm excited to show you our new building, the new programs we've got going for our Advanced Aesthetics program. If you decide to go into Advanced Aesthetics, you have to already have your standard aesthetics license, and then it's a 500-hour program that we have divided into 3 different parts. Let's take a look at the sophomore classroom. Our sophomores start our 500-hour program by spending most of their time in the classroom, but we try to make that time really engaging. They're going to be learning things like cellular anatomy, a review of skin anatomy and histology. They're going to be learning some different functions and diseases and disorders. They're going to be covering Oregon law. We want to make sure that they've got large opportunities to learn, and so we try to make the time very engaging and involved. This is also where they're going to get some initial hands-on experience. So we have lasers, we have light panels, we have microneedling, we have some cryolipolysis, we have our photo system. But this is where students are going to get some initial hands-on after they have observed an instructor demonstrate the treatment first. We like to make the time engaging with lots of games. Students finish up a sophomore program and they then become juniors. In the junior program, they're going to have more hands-on. They're going to have workshops where they're going to be bringing in family and friends and performing treatments on those family and friends. Now's when the fun begins. After their junior portion, students have passed a written exam and they've passed a practical exam, so they're ready to start working on the public in our med spa, where they get a lot of different opportunities to perform treatments with all of our different devices. And so come on and follow me and see what we've got. Students are now seniors, so this is the senior area where they're spending some time studying. This is where they're going to do their charting and documentation of the treatments that they've performed, and this is where they're waiting to hear that their client has arrived and they're ready to take them back for a treatment. This is one of our treatment rooms where students have an opportunity to use the Venus Versa. Now what I love about the Venus Versa is it is versatile, and you can look here and see all the different hand pieces that this device has and all the different functions that it has to treat the skin. For example, on here right now is a handpiece called the AC Dual. It's got 2 wavelengths that work very, very well for treating acne. The other handpiece that is on here is the Venus Viva, and this is a radio frequency microneedling device that works fantastic for skin rejuvenation. Also on this device is a handpiece that's just radio frequency for skin tightening in small areas like the face. Additional handpieces that we can attach to this device are a 515 nanometer wavelength that works great for treating rosacea or reds in the skin. We've got a 580 nanometer wavelength that's fantastic for treating brown pigmentation. We also have a 690 and a 690 XL. Those are great for hair removal. This fun toy is our Clear and Brilliant. This is a fractional 1440 wavelength and a 1927 nanometer wavelength that works fantastic for skin resurfacing. This is a very popular treatment at a lot of plastic surgery or dermatology offices, so it's a great opportunity for students to get that hands-on experience. Hydrofacial is another extremely popular treatment right now, and so we have the Hydrofacial MD where students are learning about hydrofacial. They have the opportunity to use LED with it as well as lymphatic drainage. This is our Spectrum Laser from Roar Aesthetics, and this device has a 532 nanometer 1064 Q switch that's perfect for tattoo removal. It also has handpiece attachments, like an 810 diode for hair removal. We have a long pulse ND-YAG that works well for treating small vascular lesions. We also have an IPL device that has a number of different filters, and then we have a fractional erbium YAG for resurfacing. This is our Magma Laser. It's a 1064 ND YAG, and it's perfect for treating skin of color. It's actually the gold standard for treating skin of color, so we have that opportunity for both skin rejuvenation and for hair removal. This device also has an IPL, and it has an 808 diode, which is great also for hair removal. This is our Coolsculpting Room, and we are really proud of this room. We've done a lot to make the Coolsculpting experience great for the client as well as helpful for the student. There's a TV in this room so that clients can watch something on the screen while they're having their Coolsculpting treatments. Here's our Coolsculpting device, and we have all of the hand pieces that you need to perform any kind of Coolsculpting treatment. This is our acoustic wave machine that we have in the Coolsculpting room because studies have shown that if you have acoustic wave treatment right after Coolsculpting, you're going to have a greater fat reduction. This is our digital photo system where students, when they're doing a skincare consultation, can take a client's photo and bring it up on the screen, and it will show the client's skin in several different wavelengths of light so that we can identify pigmentation, we can identify pore size, fine lines, texture. We also have a photo room here so that we can get body pictures as well, so that we can do good before and after photos of our clients' treatments. Thanks for checking us out. After students complete 500 hours in our advanced program, and it takes about 4.5 months, then they're eligible to take the state exam and become certified advanced estheticians in the state of Oregon. Be sure and check back often because we've still got more furniture that we're waiting to arrive, we've got more equipment, and we're excited to show it to you.